Hello guys, this is Frank Ilo from Afri Design Studios. In today's lesson, we shall be learning how to apply the ridge cap on your roof. If you look at the building or the model on the screen right now, you will discover that there is no ridge cap on it. And any building or roof that doesn't have the ridge cap does not look appealing or attractive enough. But with the ridge cap, the roof of your model looks more realistic, unlike this one. So I'm going to teach us how to apply the ridge cap on your roofs. Let's get it started. So the first thing to do is to make sure you are on your roof level. Go to roof level or your site plan. So when I move to my left hand side now on the screen to my project browser, you can see my mouse. I can come to this roof 06, or I can come to sites, whichever way. Both of them are going to bring you to the roof plan. If I double click on 06, you will see what is going to happen. This is my roof, but you can see that some section of the roof is being cut through the view range as a result of the height of the view range. So because of that, I would advise you go through your site plan, or better still, you can go through your properties and change the height of your view range so that it will reveal the whole of the roof plan to you. Because as it is now, you may find it difficult to put your ridge cap. So let me go to the site. So I still come back to project browser. I go to site, double click on site. You can see the site is showing me everything. Everything is being shown. There is no section of this roof that is cut. None. So I always tell people that applying ridge cap is one of the easiest and fastest thing to do in modeling with Revit. So what do you do next? The next thing you do is to go to components, come to architecture ribbon, come to component here, click on this arrow, then click on place a component. Okay, after doing that, you go to load family, click on load family. Then from there, you must have already loaded the ridge cap you want to use inside your library. It must be in your library. So I scroll down where I saved it. You can see them. I have up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I choose one of them. This is my ridge cap. So I click on this one. You can see it here. You can see it, the preview. Then I come to open. I click on open. What I'm going to do now is this. I will start applying it on my roof. It is still loading. It is still loading. Okay, it has loaded. So when I come here, this is one of my ridges. Mind you, you are not going to apply it here because this is your gutter. So I come here on the tip of the ridge, click here, and I drag it. I stop it somewhere here. I could as well take it to this end, but sometimes once you get to this end, for me to start another one from here used to be difficult. So I will end it here. But you can see it is hidden inside. Now let me press escape and show you something. If I press escape now twice and go to default 3D view, I love what just happened now. You can see this was where I applied the ridge cap, but it is not seen. I am not seeing it. Okay, so I will go back to my site and click at the tip of the ridge cap and delete it. It is wrongly applied, so I delete it. I'll show you what I normally do. I'll go to place a component again. Now instead of starting from the tip here, I'll start from the middle somewhere here. I click here and go like this, and you see it is not hidden again. It is showing. Did you get what I did? I didn't start from the tip again. I started somewhere at the middle or from the somewhere from the outside the beginning. So, and I was able to see my ridge cap. So if I go to default 3D view again, you will see it. Can you see it now? It is there. So one thing you should know is this, that sometimes when you start from the starting point, it will still give you the right thing. It will still give you the right thing. But sometimes Revit used to act funny. It used to act like somebody that has lost his head, you know. So if you start from the starting, it will not show. The ridge cap will be hidden under the roof. When you encounter such problems, delete that ridge cap and come to the ridge line and start anywhere from the ridge line. And when you have started from the ridge line now, you can now click on that ridge cap and you see this blue dot, this blue button. You can click on it and now drag it to the end, to the starting. Okay, you can also click on this one and drag this one to the starting here. In that way, you will see your ridge cap on top of the roof and not under the roof. Okay, but this very one, like I told you, okay, let's just leave it there. So I go again to place a component, click on it. Because of what I've seen, or because of what has happened to me, I'm not going to start from the start again. I will start from this middle, and I will do it like that for all of them. Then later I will come and start dragging them to where I actually want them to stop. Even this one, I'm going to do it like that. It is going to save you time. I'm going to do this one like that as well. Bring it here. This one, I'm not going to start from the beginning. Okay. I told you applying ridge cap is very easy, but as a beginner, you'll be wondering, how do people put this thing, this ridge cap of a thing, how is it done? It is very simple, my dear. Okay, now that I'm done with all of them, I can start trimming them. All these ones that are at the junction, I go to trim to extend. I can actually trim them, or I can click on them and extend them, but I don't want to extend them. I use this very tool. Click on this tool, click on this one, and click on this one. I go back there again, click on the tool, click on this one, and click on this one. That one is settled. I click on this and click on this. I click on this and click on this. Click on this and this. Everything is settled. So those ones that are not starting from the beginning, okay, now I right click and cancel, right click and cancel again to deselect my tool. So I click on this very one, click on this blue button here and drag it to the beginning. Okay, I do the same here, bring it to the beginning. Okay, then I do the same here, bring it to the beginning. Okay, I also do this one, drag it to this point. Then I do to this one and drag it to this point. Okay, we are done with our ridge cap. Let's go to our default 3D view to see how this ridge cap looks like. So I go here. So you can see our ridge cap, but their color is different. Now look at something here now. This very ridge cap is not following or aligning with the ridge line. This one is going to another direction, so I have to delete. That one that is going another direction, delete it. I delete it and I go back to site plan. Then I go to my architecture components. I repeat it again. I click here and go like this. Then I will now click, I press escape twice to deselect. Then I drag it to join it here. Then I press escape again. So let's go back. to default 3D view. So you can see it now, it is now on the ridge line. But if you look at this, our ridge cap, it is having a different color. We are going to apply a color that matches with the roof material. I want my ridge cap to have the same material with my roof material. So I click on the ridge cap. Then I go to properties. I go to edit type, click on edit type. Then I come under this value. For material, I click inside this box, this default roof. Click on this empty space. Click on this box, this ellipsis. So once I click on that, it will bring out this material browser for me. I will scroll to where I have my roof plan. This is roof material, sorry. Where I have my roof material. This is my roof material. 01 roof material 1. I click on this. I click open. I click OK. And I click outside. You can see the roof cap is now having the same. The roof cap is now having the same material with my roof material. So this is how to apply the ridge cap on your roof. I hope this lesson has been useful to you. If it has, I do urge you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the bell sign, the bell symbol. After subscribing, that bell will help you to be notified each time we create another video, because we create videos on daily basis in this channel. Thank you once again for watching, and bye.